Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and owner of Twitter, mentioned Shiba Inu in connection with Twitter's rebranding, leading to speculation in the cryptocurrency community. Musk's mention of Shiba Inu came as Twitter changed its branding, replacing the iconic bird logo with a dark-themed letter X. In response to this, an engineer at Twitter tweeted humorously, and Musk joined in with a laughing emoticon, noting the Shiba Inu theme used in the rebranding. Dogecoin Doji, a fun cryptocurrency inspired by memes, has become more valuable than Cardano, ADA, due to tweets from billionaire Elon Musk. In the past 24 hours, Doji increased by over 9%, and in the past week, it rose by nearly 20%. Currently, it is the 8th largest cryptocurrency, surpassing Cardano. As of now, its value is approximately $0.08. This surge was triggered by a mysterious tweet from the owner of Twitter, which seemed to connect Doji with Twitter's new logo, shared by a Dogecoin designer. Bitcoin is facing a critical moment. Many analysts believe it may drop significantly as it has been struggling to break through the strong resistance at $31,000 since March. The market is experiencing very low volatility, with the Bollinger Bands tightly constricted. This tightening creates pressure, much like squeezing a bar of wet soap until it suddenly bursts. Currently, Bitcoin has strong support at around $29,200 and is resting on the 50-day moving average. Below that, at approximately $27,000, lies the upward trendline that defines the current bull market, with the 200-day moving average providing additional defense. WorldCoin BoLD, a new cryptocurrency project co-founded by OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman, is facing scrutiny from the UK's data regulator. The Information Commissioner's Office, ICO, is investigating the project due to concerns related to its iris scanning feature. WorldCoin rewards individuals with loyalty coins when they scan their irises. Despite launching in multiple cities worldwide, including London, the project has faced criticism for its data collection approach. First Digital Group, based in Hong Kong, has listed its stablecoin, First Digital USD, FDUSD, on Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. This stablecoin is backed one-to-one with high-quality cash reserves and can be redeemed for an equal value in US dollars. The reserves are held in segregated accounts at regulated financial institutions and are monitored and audited by independent third parties. Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, commented that a recent ruling regarding the securities status of the XRP token could have implications for other ongoing cases. Ripple had a legal victory against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which found that XRP offerings were not unregistered securities. Alderoty suggested that this ruling could impact the SEC's cases against Coinbase and Binance. In a surprising revelation, a well-known member of the Terra Classic, the LUNC, community, Tobias Zaradar Anderson, has made serious accusations about the LUNC market. Zaradar boldly claims that the market is being manipulated by a single entity, and there are indications that major cryptocurrency exchanges like KuCoin and Binance might be involved in this manipulation. According to the developer, LUNC's value may be heading towards zero. He stated, perhaps LUNC should be more concerned about reaching zero rather than asking when it will reach one. It is evident that a single entity is manipulating the market, and I find it hard to believe that this is happening without the involvement of KuCoin and Binance.